Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to use Pandas library in Python. Let's start. We create a new project in PyCharm, give it a name Python 17. We select existing interpreter and click create. We right click on the project and create a new file called main.py. We import Pandas library as PD. There we go. We'll use PD to read the CSV file, but first we need to create a CSV file from here. Let's say we have salary.csv. Okay, with two columns, age and salary. Okay, so we have salary by age like this. Then we continue with Python. So we read our salary CSV by give it a name salary.csv. We assign this value into data. So this is basically a data frame with 2 dimensions. If we want to get one column from the data frame, we can use data.ilog and we say what row we want. We get all rows, and for column we get from column 0 to 1, which is the age. We print X to see what we have in the X. We hit the run buttons. Okay, there we go. We have all the ages here, which is 0 and 1. So this is the column we want to get, right? So let's continue with another X data ilog all rows from column 1 to 2, which is the salary. Then we print Y. Hit the run buttons. So we have the salary column printed to the console. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more videos.